Hello students, welcome to the chemistry class. In our today's class, we will discuss chapter 9, that's name is hydrogen. And we all know, on the earth, hydrogen only exists as a diatomic molecule called dihydrogen or in a combined form. Most abundant elements accounts for approximately 70% of the mass of the universe in its combined form. Besides water, hydrogen occurs in plant and animal tissues as carbohydrates and many other compounds like hydrocarbons. Hydrogen with atomic number 1 has 3 isotopes: protium 1H1, deuterium 1H2 and tritium 1H3. It is the only element whose isotopes are named. Protium has no neutron and deuterium has 1 neutron while tritium has 2 neutrons. Among the 3, protium with a concentration of 99.98% is the most abundant. The concentration of deuterium only 0.0156%, mostly in the form of hydrogen deuterium molecule. The concentration of tritium is about 1 atom per 10 raised to the power 18 atoms of protium. It is the only hydrogen isotope that is radioactive. Tritium, no? That is radioactive. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. So hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. However, its position in the periodic table is debated because of its resemblance to both alkali metals and halogens. Understood? As well as because its unique behavior. Let us see how hydrogen is similar to alkali metals and different from the group at the same time. Its electronic configuration is 1s1. Therefore, like the alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, hydrogen also has only 1 electron in its outermost shell. Due to this, these elements possess similar electronic characters, allowing them to readily lose 1 electron to form positive ions. Thus, similar to alkali metals. Hydrogen also shows an oxidation state of +1. For example, in HCl, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen has an oxidation state of +1, which is similar to that of alkali metals such as sodium and potassium. In sodium chloride and potassium chloride respectively, like alkali metals, hydrogen acts as a strong reducing agent. For example, it reduced iron third oxide to iron, which is similar to the behavior of the alkali metals potassium. Potassium in its reaction with boron oxide. Boron oxide is oxidized to the boron, into boron, right? Where in it reduces boron oxide to boron. Though hydrogen is similar to alkali metals in several aspects. It also exhibits certain properties that are different from alkali metals. For example, the ionization enthalpy of hydrogen is very high as compared to alkali metals. So that is the difference. And it shows non-metallic behavior unlike alkali metals. And it exists as a diatomic molecule in the form of a gas, whereas alkali metals are solid and exist as monoatomic molecules. And hydrogen. Hydrogen mostly forms covalent bond, whereas alkali metals form ionic bonds. For example, HCl. HCl is covalent, whereas NaCl is ionic. So, let us now see how hydrogen is similar to halogens and different from the group at the same time. Like halogens, hydrogen has only one electron less than the nearest noble gas configuration to attain the noble gas configuration of helium. This is similar to halogens, which have an outermost shell configuration of NH2 NP5 and need just one electron to attain noble gas configuration, right? And the ionization energy of hydrogen 1312 kilojoule per mole is very close to that of halogens. So that is similarities. Like chlorine, 1255 kilojoule per mole. And the oxidation state of hydrogen is -1, that is similar to halogen in some of its compounds. For example, in NaH, sodium hydride. In this example, hydrogen has an oxidation state of -1, which is the same as that of chlorine. In sodium chloride, the molecules of halogen are right, and the molecules of halogen are diatomic like halogen, and hydrogen is non-metallic in nature and usually exists in gaseous form in spite of several similarities with halogen. So hydrogen also exhibits behavior that makes it different from the halogen. So let's see the example. For example, unlike halogen, hydrogen has less tendency to take up an electron to form a hydride ion, whereas halogen form halide ions very easily. In a hydrogen molecule, atoms do not possess an unshared electron pairs, whereas in halogen molecules every atom has 3 pairs, such as Cl2O are acidic in nature, whereas the oxides of hydrogen such as H2O is neutral. Because of this unique behavior of hydrogen, it is placed separately in the periodic table. So this was all about similarities and differences of hydrogen. I hope this topic is clear. See you in our next class. Thank you.